Beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Dexy Pictures again. If you have seen me for the first time, please feel relaxed. You are welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Chidera Gabriel. Yes, so in today's video, I'm going to be addressing some issue and some mistakes people make, or some mistake people still have on their head while uploading content on this YouTube space. Okay, so today we are talking about the work of this hashtags. What is the work of this hashtag? Hashtags help your video to pop out on the search engine. Okay, so have it in mind that because people think that hashtags helps your video visibility or your video views to increase. The only work hashtag can help your video to do, the only thing that the hashtag can help your video to do, the only grace the hashtag can help your video to do is for your video to pop out on the search menu, so that when people are searching for a particular idea to work or to look up to, your video will be among the list of videos that will pop out only when you use the correct hashtag. For example, if you are talking about YouTube, or maybe how to get 1,000 subscribers, or how to get 4,000 watch hour, the only thing hashtag can help is when you make use of the correct hashtags. Hashtags can help. Using the correct hashtag can help your video to pop out of the video search engine. For example, if you are talking about how to get 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hour, and you are using another different hashtags that is not even related or don't have any closely relationship to that 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hour video content you are about to release. Maybe you are talking about cookery, or talking about how to become an actor, or talking about how to it doesn't make sense. So when people are searching those things, if you are using incorrect hashtags for a particular video, when people are searching about that particular content, your video is not going to pop out, and YouTube will not going to recommend your videos, because you are giving the YouTube algorithm a wrong signal. You are giving them a wrong signal. You are giving them a wrong information that something is wrong about your video. Okay, so take the correction today that YouTube hashtags does not give you 100% warranty that your video will be distributed. The only thing that the hashtag can do to your video is to take your video to the right people that need to watch your that particular video. Are you hearing me? Please, are you hearing me? Whenever you are about to upload a video, don't be in a rush. Okay, don't be in a rush, because like me now, if I want to upload my own video,
okay guys, this is how I upload my video. Like I'm saying on my video, that if I go to my I log into my other account. So let me log into my previous account. So this is my account, Dexy Pictures TV. So if I want to upload a video now, so I will go to this plus sign here. I'll click on this plus sign that is here, then click on it, and let me just take any of my video and use it for a tutorial teaching. Now let me click on this particular video here. I'll click on it. Now once I click on it, I'll go to next. So when I go to next, I now, as you can see, the video is already under under unlisted. Are you seeing it now? If you don't want your video to be posted immediately, you understand? If you don't want your video to post immediately, you can put it under what? Unlisted. As you can see, my own is already under on what? Unlisted. Now, when you click on the unlisted, you can now go back to yours and you can now click on what? On next and do what? You can now click on the next and do what? And post your video. Now, once you are done posting it, the thing will load. Once it is done loading, then you can now go back to your what? To your YouTube what? Your YouTube what? Your YouTube studio. My own is already open. Now you can go to your YouTube studio. Once I go to my YouTube studio, then okay, we'll now wait for it to load. Okay, sorry. So once I go to my YouTube studio, I go under what? The content. I will go under what? The content what? Menu. I click on the content menu. You will see the lines of what? Contents there. You go to on your content menu. Sorry. So when you go to your content menu, okay, for example now, this one now that's I posted last, this one that I posted last, I click it. If had it been now, this one that I posted last is the video that I posted under listed. Are you hearing me now? So I can now go to my description and write everything I want to write there, and write everything I want to write there, and adjust everything I want to adjust. Are you seeing it, guys? And adjust everything I want to adjust. Then after doing on the description, I can now go to my thumbnail and add thumbnail. Like if I have not added thumbnail while uploading it under unlisted on my YouTube channel, I can now go to this place and do what? Put a what? A thumbnail. Are you seeing it, guys? I can now what? Put a thumbnail. Like this one I've already put a thumbnail while uploading it, so there is no need. But in case you have not put a thumbnail while uploading it, the thing will just be white here, like it will be blank here. Then you now click on it, then select your what? Your video, your thumbnail picture. So once you are done everything, make sure that your video is not made for kids. Then you go to your title, take your title, then go to your what? Visibility. And once you are done with everything here, everything in this dashboard, once you are done with everything here, you can now go here and change the visibility. You change it from unlisted to what? Public. Are you hearing me? Then once you do it, you now click on what? Save. Are you hearing me? See save here. You can see save. You click on what? Save. The video with what? The video will be what? Published. Are you hearing me now? So once you're done, you can now go back to your what? Channel. That is it. Thank you for listening.
Now, if you are lacking any ideas of what? If you are lacking any idea of what? Getting the correct hashtags to suit your word video perfectly. Now I will introduce you to this app called what? VIDIQ. VIDIQ. It is an app, like it is like an AI app that can give you and can generate every information that you need about your YouTube video. It will give you the description. It will give you the script if you want your voice to be speaking loud on your video. It will give you the script, your guideline. It will give you the title. It will give you how your thumbnail will look like, and also give you the hashtags. I know that sometimes the hashtag that will appear there, few of them are not correct. Few of them are not related to the video, but most of them are related to the video. That means some are related while some are not related. But now the app will give you a guideline hint of how you are going to do put your hashtag, everything you know about that particular video. It will generate the idea for you. Now this is how I do my own. I will go to that app, remove some hashtags that is not necessary, that is not related to my video, then collect the ones I do copy. I copy the ones that is what necessary for my what video, then I will not take it to what my what to my YouTube what studio and finish my what my analysis. They finalize everything I need to finalize there. Okay, so before I will not change it to what public. Okay, so whenever you are posting a video, do not be in a hurry, don't rush it. Please take your time, and do well on your work hashtag. And I promise you that once you finish it, setting everything up, just give me some time, some days, some weeks, your video will do amazing. Trust me guys, your video will be what amazing. So take this correction today, that hashtag don't what increase your videos, it doesn't increase your watch hours. Okay, it only helps your video to pop out to the rightful word, people that search for it. When people are searching it on the search engine, your videos will do what? Popped out. That is the only work of this word hashtag. Please, thank you for listening to my video. If you find it very helpful, please do well to drop your comment, or if you have any idea you want to bring about, please do well to drop it on the comment section. I'm ready, I'm at your service to reply you. Okay, so make sure you give us a thumbs up by liking our video, commenting, and also doing subscribing. Please, that will give us a great signal. I love you guys, my people. Thank you. Daisy Pictures love you. Enjoy.